Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 steps on how to manifest money using the law of attraction. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. So, here are the 7 steps you need to follow to manifest money using the law of attraction. Step 1. Understand vibrations. First, let's talk about vibrations. Everything in the universe, including money, has a specific vibration. Vibrations are essentially the energy levels at which different things operate. Now, money, just like everything else, vibrates at a certain frequency. Different amounts of money have different vibrations. For example, $1 has a different vibration than $10, and $10 have a different vibration than $100. Similarly, our thoughts, feelings, and actions also have vibrations. To attract money, we need to align our vibrations with the vibration of the amount we want to attract. Step 2. Get clear on your goal. Next, it's crucial to get clear on the specific amount of money you want to manifest. Clarity is key. Instead of saying, "I want a lot of money," decide on an exact amount. For example, say, "I want to manifest $10,000. Write down the exact amount of money you want. This helps to solidify your intention and makes it more tangible. Whether you want $5,000 a month, $100,000 a year, or even $1 million, be precise. Step 3. Match the vibration. Once you've identified the amount, the next step is to match its vibration. Our emotions act as indicators of our vibrations. Positive emotions mean you're aligned with your goal, while negative emotions suggest a misalignment. Sometimes our subconscious thoughts might not match our conscious desires. If you feel doubtful or negative about your goal, it means your subconscious mind is not fully aligned with it. Step 4. Train your subconscious mind. To manifest the money you want, your subconscious mind needs to believe it's possible. Here's how to train it. First, check your reality. Look around your life. If you don't have the money you want yet, it's because your subconscious doesn't believe it's possible. Next, use affirmations to reprogram your subconscious. However, make sure these affirmations are in question format. For example, instead of saying, "I have $100,000, ask, "Why do I have $100,000? This engages your brain to find reasons and believe it. Lastly, try subliminal reprogramming. Listen to subliminal messages or affirmations while you sleep. When you sleep, your critical mind is off, and your subconscious is more receptive to suggestions. Step 5. Use affirmations effectively. Affirmations are powerful tools for changing your subconscious beliefs. Here's how to use them effectively. Always frame your affirmations as questions. For example, "Why am I so wealthy?" Or, "Why does money come to me easily?" This makes your brain search for answers and accept the affirmation as true. Additionally, repeat your affirmations regularly, especially before bed and after waking up when your mind is most receptive. Step 6. Listen to subliminal messages. Subliminal messages can bypass your conscious mind and directly influence your subconscious. Nighttime listening. Play subliminal messages or positive affirmations while you sleep. During sleep, your mind's critical filter is inactive, allowing these messages to be absorbed more effectively. Consistency. Make it a habit to listen to these messages every night. Consistency is key to reprogramming your subconscious mind. Step 7. Visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful technique to align your vibrations with your goals. Daily visualization. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing the life you want. Imagine having the amount of money you desire and living the lifestyle that comes with it. Detailed imagery. Be as detailed as possible in your visualization. Picture yourself using the money, enjoying financial freedom, and experiencing the emotions that come with it. The more vivid your visualization, the more powerful its impact on your subconscious mind. Putting it all together, combining these steps creates a powerful process for manifesting money with the law of attraction. Reprogram your mind. By using affirmations, listening to subliminal messages, and visualizing your goals, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind to accept the belief that you can have the money you desire. Align your actions. Ensure that your actions are also aligned with your goal. Take practical steps towards financial success, such as saving money, investing, or finding new income sources. In conclusion, manifesting money requires effort and commitment. It's not an overnight process, but with consistency, you can achieve your financial goals. Do the work. If it were easy, everyone would be wealthy. Manifesting money takes dedication and consistent effort. Most people aren't willing to put in the work, which is why they don't see results. Choose your path. Now, you have a choice. You can either put in the effort to change your life or continue with your current situation. The choice is yours, but I hope you decide to make a positive change. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what amount of money you're aiming to manifest. See you in the next video.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.